Can ChatGPT write the perfect swim workout? Can ChatGPT make me swim faster? Is ChatGPT better than my swim coach? In this video, we're about to find out. Now, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know what ChatGPT is, let me get you up to speed. ChatGPT is a chatbot, and it uses hundreds of millions of data points on the internet to answer your questions faster and better than you can say sink or swim. It's sort of like your favorite school teacher, but way smarter. To find out just how good this thing is, I'm gonna put it to the ultimate test. I asked ChatGPT to write the perfect swim workout, and I have 5 requirements. I want it to make me swim faster. I have a specific amount of time for the workout. I want to be able to use specific pieces of equipment, and I do not want to swim specific strokes. And I want it to be fun. After I ask ChatGPT to write my swim workout, I'm going to rate it on how it did on each piece of criteria. I'm then going to share what it did really well and what it can improve. And then finally, I'm going to answer the question, can ChatGPT write the perfect swim workout? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments if you think ChatGPT can write the perfect swim workout. Here we go. We are in the browser. Write me a 60-minute swim workout that makes me swim faster. I want to use my fins and paddles. I do not want to swim butterfly or breaststroke. And most importantly, I want it to be fun. Let's go. I have a little bit of a period typing there. I'll make this a little bit easier for the chatbot. All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's see what it can come up with. All right, write me a swim workout. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Any second. Look at it go. Here's a 60-minute workout. Oh, 10 minutes of freestyle warm-up. Oh, boy. Woo, 250s. Okay, it assumed yards. I never said yards or meters, but it's biasing here a little bit. We got a nice main set. Oh, my God, no. What are you doing? 4-100s freestyle. You're going to kill me. Fins and paddles. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh my goodness. And there's the cooldown. And here's a note. Make sure to properly stretch before and after the workout. Use paddles and fins to avoid injury. Also adjust the distance based on your own swimming level. Okay, so that's good that it's trying to personalize it to me. But that doesn't look very fun. Did it say any jokes in there? All right, so let's go ahead and analyze this swim workout for the 5 criteria. First piece of criteria was I wanted to make me swim faster. Just eyeballing this workout, do I think it can make me swim faster? Yes, I think it's actually a decent workout between the warm-up, main set, and cooldown. Sure, we'll give you that. We'll have a specific amount of time for the workout. Now, this chatbot didn't actually ask how fast I am. It doesn't know how fast I am to be able to accomplish the total distance of this workout. I do think I would be able to accomplish this in much less than 60 minutes, especially when you have a 10-minute freestyle warm-up and then a 10-minute cooldown. That's already going to be 20 minutes. This set right here would take me about 6 minutes, 4 minutes, so you can quickly total it, and this might end up being about 30 to 40 minutes for me to swim. So it kind of fit the criteria, but I really wanted to fill 60 minutes, so I'm going to give like a half check on that. I want to use specific pieces of equipment, and I said fins and paddles. So it looks like fins and paddles are incorporated a lot, actually. Now that's pretty good because I said I wanted to use fins and paddles and work on my technique. Sure. I do not want to swim specific strokes, so I did not want to swim breaststroke and butterfly, and it doesn't look like there's any butterfly or breaststroke in the set, but it did ask me to pull, and that's because I said paddle, so that's a good one. I want it to be fun. To be honest, this workout does not look fun at all. I think it could have done a much better job incorporating something. It could have even given me a joke. You would think that the chatbot, looking at hundreds of millions of data points, would be able to come up with something that had to do with the water, just to put a little smile on my face, but it didn't do that. So let's go ahead and look at what I think this workout did really well and what ChatGPT did pretty poorly. So the first thing is that it did write a workout for me. So I can actually go and do this workout and do it in less than 60 minutes. And yeah, I mean, I can go to the pool right now and literally do this workout. So I think that's a good thing. Sort of did meet all of the criteria. I mean, it wasn't really that fun, but it did actually qualify for swimming, technique, speed, working with different equipment, not doing certain strokes. So yeah, I mean, it sort of met the criteria that I asked it for. It didn't come up with something outside that scope. And then finally, it was pretty fast to do. So you saw in a couple of seconds, it actually was able to create the workout for me. So yeah, I mean, pretty fast, simple. ready to go. Now let's talk about how this workout completely failed me, starting with the fact that this workout is extremely generic. I mean, this thing is literally written for anyone. Anyone can come to this browser, whether you're an elite swimmer, a slow swimmer, beginner, advanced, you have any injuries, a certain pace, none of that matters because this workout is as generic as you're gonna get on the internet. So I think in that case, it did fail because it's extremely generic. And you know what's not generic? The MySwimPro app. It delivers a personalized swim workout at a fraction of the cost of hiring a personal coach, and it's completely free to download to check out. So for iPhone, Android, this app is game changer. This ChatGPT stuff is very, very far away from that, but it will personalize the workouts just for you. So based on your skills, your goals, what you're trying to achieve, how much time you have, and it'll actually fill the workout to fit the amount of time that you have instead of coming up with something really generic like this. Another thing that this workout really fails at is actually getting to the pool. So I do actually have to swim the workout, and there's no way for me to take this workout to the pool. The benefit of the MySwimPro app is even if you just have the phone right there on the pool side, or you print out the workout on a PDF, or you have it guided right there on your wrist every single step of the way. That's really the power of using a tool like the MySwimPro app, because it's like having a personalized coach right there on your wrist. This workout is just going to be static right there on the screen, and I can't actually take it with me to the pool to execute and actually swim the workout. Another way that this workout really falls short is that it's not delivering me any kind of accountability. So the workout is here, now I have to go to the pool and do it. What I love about the MySwimPro app is that it actually coaches you through the workout. It literally taps on your wrist when you need to go. And there's like positive words of encouragement every step of the way. So to see that in real time on your wrist and to have that physical feedback is something that this software will never match up to. And finally, the biggest thing that this workout does not have is intervals. I mentioned it before, but having a personalized workout really depends on how fast you are. So based on your skill level, how fast you can swim 100 meters, really dictates what the intervals of a set would be. It's like going to the gym and just saying, yeah, go do bench press. Well, how much do I do? How many reps do I do it? Sure, you can do it 4 reps, but do I do it with the bar, or do I do it with 135, 185? Do I have any progression? How much effort should I actually put on each of these? Now, I do love the coaching notes that this workout is able to provide, but at the end of the day, with no intervals, with no effort levels, no goal times to actually swim, that's where this workout really falls apart. And you know what does all of those things 10 times better? The MySwimPro app. So if this sounds interesting, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you haven't checked out the MySwimPro app, definitely a step ahead or multiple steps ahead of where this ChatGPT is. It doesn't mean in the future that this can't be incorporated even into the MySwimPro app to develop even more personalized workouts just for you. But make sure you check it out and let me know what you think, and happy swimming.